and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate Dr. Surabhi Sharma for writing such a wonderful book and the launch of her first book. Everyone knows that she's a doctor, and yesterday morning, in fact, Mr. Sanjay and Dr. Surabhi came to my house and they handed over the first copy, if I may say, to me. I'm sure that a lot of other readers will enjoy what she has written, and she rightly said that our readers should think and wonder. And I've already started doing both of that because before coming to this event, I just wanted to go through the book, and I must say that the kind of passion she has got for Assam is very obvious, the state where she was born and brought up, and the kind of description she gives about, especially not the place where I visited in Assam, which is Guwahati, to play the match, but the other rural areas in Assam is really wonderful. And she showed that through her writing that what someone who's got passion about something can easily write and describe that so easily, and that's what she has done through this book. And also the character Millie, even though I've just started reading the book, it's definitely a very inspirational character, and the struggle she goes through in her life right from the start of her life till a marriage and other aspects of Assam, especially starting from 1962 till date. You know, it's very wonderful the way she picturizes in the form of a book. I always believe that if someone has got a passion, they can achieve anything, and Dr. Surabhi is an example for that. Even being doctor by profession, she's passionate about writing. And I'm sure that she will come up with a lot of important books which will inspire all her readers. And she's about to publish a second book, so I wish her a lot of good luck even for that, the second book which is going to be published soon. And regarding me, I'm passionate about reading. I'm sure whoever followed my career or whoever followed my interviews always have mentioned that I take a lot of inspiration from the books I read. Because I think that's something which I feel is very important. When you read good books, you get inspired, and usually I read the autobiographies of eminent persons who excel in their lives, not necessarily cricket or sports, but any walk of life. So this probably would be one of the few novels I've read in my life, and I'm sure that I will complete it, because the beauty of the book, any book which you read is, you want to complete it, you want to read it, and you take a lot of inspiration at some stages in your life when you go back to a particular book which you think relates to the kind of situation you are facing in your life. So I wish Dr. Surabhi all the very best for her future endeavors, and I'm sure that you will definitely make your readers think and wonder. Thank you.
From the audience, I'd like to request somebody who's read the book to share her or his experience or how he felt. Say anything?
And the insecurities prevailing in the region, and how she stands up all through and proves herself.
This book.
Basically, I always was into writing ever since my school and college days. I used to write for all this school magazine, college magazine, and
Ashok, side of us ninja. Side of us ninja. Time. తీసుకున్నాను ఇప్పుడు అట్లా తీసుకున్నాను.
Today, I think you are one of the most busiest person.